Right everyone, I've made it to the Northumberland Coast. Got one heck of a view. Right next to the beach. I'm just cooking up myself some bacon cob things. Got some cheese buns there. So I'm just gonna cooking the bacon here. Let's see. It just keeps it splattering everywhere. It's kind of like an oven inside. It's quite good. But yeah, it's just not driving today. Mostly driving, probably a good 5 hours of driving or more. But yeah, I saw a few things. But yeah, it's worth it. I'm going to stay here probably 2 days. And then probably that'll be the end of my trip. I'm heading home after that. First pieces are done, just waiting for the rest. A couple more minutes. I'm absolutely starving. It's about 6 o'clock, I think. Oh, look at these. Look how much bacon. This is proper. Got tomato sauce, cheese underneath. That's gonna fill me up. That is exactly what I need. So good. Taste. That's fucking delicious. Wow. Oh my god. That tastes so good. It wasn't so windy, I'd have my doors open, but look at the view. Windscreen's so dirty at the back. Definitely, my van definitely needs a wash. Huge. There's an island down there as well. So we're at Northumberland Coast now. So, actually really cool. Massive castle. Might have to have a look. I'll have to pay to look inside because it looks really cool. Absolutely massive. This beach is huge. So I just parked up there. Overnight, I'm going to stay overnight. I think you can anyway, there's other vans there. There's probably other places anyway. It's like a reindeer or something. I don't want to go any further though because I don't know if you can get much further anyway. I'll walk all the way down there. It's probably a good 2 mile coast or more. A couple of miles I think. Like a little lighthouse there. It's a really nice place. Shame about the weather, it's just the wind. It's not the temperature, it's just the wind. It is crazy. Okay, giant Roblox cube up here. It's a Roblox. Fucking can't remember what it's called. Giant dice. Who the hell put these here? coloured them in. Spray painting them dice here. 2 dices. All the way around. They're not bothered with those ones though. It's a piece of modern art. Exquisite masterpiece. I can't believe how big this beach is though. It's like the ones in Norfolk. It just goes so far. Crazy. It does look like a really cool castle though. It'll be a nice sunset tonight though, that clouds. Sunset should be a bit earlier as well, should be about 10:15. It'd be a huge difference, but oh, it's not the castle. Picture opportunity, I think. Let's take a look at the sea. The East Coast is never as popular. It's not as nice as the other sides of the UK. It's not as clear as it was in Scotland, that's for sure. Quite close to the castle now. It's amazing actually. It's just huge. Perfect place as well. There's natural defences everywhere, all around. Amazing, such a good, not so windy, but such a nice evening. It's going to be, should be a good sunset tonight if there's no clouds blocking. Head back in a minute, my camera's almost ran out as well. Nice little walk anyway. Look at the sun! That's crazy. Look at that sunset. It's really nice. Oh, I must have walked a good 4 miles. Almost 3 or 4 miles there.